Morning, afternoon, evening. This is my video on how to fix Wellie boots that have got holes in or splits. It's a bit boring, but it's a bit of a waste if you've got a hole in your Wellie and you just chuck it away and buy a new pair. What all the stuff going on about plastics and stuff. Anyway, so I had a quick Google and came up with this stuff. Stormsure, UK based, kind of fixes and repairs everything glue. So let's see if it can sort my wellies out. So these have got a tiny split. Let's have a look. It's there. Let's let this focus. There it is. Hello, I'm a split. I need to be glued. Help me with Stormsure glue. Right, let's try this out. Should be a pretty simple case of getting glue out of packet one-handed. The glue was £6 off eBay, so a couple of boot repairs and we'll be sorted. We'll probably have to kind of pierce the end of that, I guess. Yeah. Oh, glue on cap. So what we want to do, I expect, is to expand the hole and then just blob this on. So I'm just gonna pause this for a sec. Right, so I squeezed it with one hand and then put a dob on the other. So we leave this for, how long do we leave it for? 10 to 12 hours. You can buy something called Stormsure that speeds up the glue, but we're not using that. Anyway, that is how to repair a Wellie boot reasonably cheaply. If it doesn't work, I will update the video with a comment. If it does work, I'll also just update the video with a comment. But yeah, that's it. All done. Boot fixed. Thanks for watching. Bye.